Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to sign up for paperless tax document on Google Adsense. And okay guys, this is an important update for YouTube creator, and you need to update by December 31, 2021. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is go to Chrome. So okay, I use the Chrome. And okay guys, here in Chrome, you'll have to do is go to www.adsense.com. And okay guys, if you're not signed up, okay, sign up first. And okay guys, here in Google AdSense homepage, you'll have to do is tap the 3 line or hamburger line on your upper left side on your screen. Here in menu, okay, tap the payment. And okay guys, here in payment, okay, tap again the 3 line or the hamburger menu to view the payment. And okay guys, here in payment, okay, in payment info, scroll down and go to manage settings. Okay, tap the manage settings. And okay guys, here in manage settings, okay, you can see or find the United States tax info. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the edit icon or pencil icon on the right of the United States tax info. And after that, okay, you can see the manage tax info. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the manage tax info. And after that, you can see the manage delivery preference. Okay, you'll have to do is tap this. And okay guys, the pop-up are show, and now here, okay, you can see the US tax document delivery. Okay, there are options here, the go paperless and the get document by mail. And okay guys, the recommended for your account is the go paperless. And okay guys, after you select the go paperless, you'll have to do is tap the accept the paperless delivery agreement. Okay, you can see the square. Okay, tap the square. You can see the check on the square, and after that, tap the update delivery preference button to update your information for paperless tax document. And okay guys, we have successfully signed up for paperless tax document. And okay guys, here you can see the paperless find digital tax reporting document online only, so no paper mail. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully signed up for paperless tax document on your Google AdSense account. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.